Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our chapter number 3, Important Places of Tourist Interest in Madhya Pradesh from our supplementary reader part 4, our Madhya Pradesh. Students, here Madhya Pradesh is a state with rich heritage and rich natural scenic beauty. There are many historical forts, ancient caves, places of pilgrimage and natural beauty. Some important places are as follows. Students, मध्य प्रदेश जो है वो एक ऐसा राज्य है जिसमें जो वो संपदा से और जो नेचुरल इसका सीनिक ब्यूटी है उससे वो परिपूर्ण है। तो यहाँ पर इतने जो बहुत सारे ऐतिहासिक फोर्ट्स हैं, केव्स हैं, गुफाएं हैं, तीर्थ स्थान है, नेचुरल ब्यूटी वाले प्लेसेस हैं। तो कुछ के बारे में इस चैप्टर में आपको बताया गया है। सो हियर फर्स्ट वन इज ग्वालियर। जैसे देयर इज अ मैग्निफिसेंट फोर्ट इन ग्वालियर विच वाज बिल्ट बाय राजा सूरत सेन अराउंड द ईयर 525 AD। कि यहाँ पर ग्वालियर में जो एक फोर्ट है वो राजा सूरत सेन के द्वारा 525 AD में बनाया गया था। This fort may be called a jewel amongst the forts of India. ऐसा माना जाता है इस फोर्ट को कि ये एक जो भारत में जितने भी फोर्ट्स हैं उनमें ये ज्वेल के जैसा है, एक रत्न के जैसा। Here there is a picture of Gwalior Fort and the other description of that fort is given to in that point, so you have to read it. Next is Datia. Now this is a famous for its palace of Raja Veer Singh Dev, which is 7-storied and was built in 16th century. Next, Shivpuri. This place was summer capital of Gwalior and is famous for its beautiful places, palaces and marble chhatris where beautiful carving on the walls can be seen. Then the Narwar Fort in the north of Shivpuri, about 19 kilometers away, there is a place called Narwar. And there is a fort on the hillocks. It is said that it was the capital of King Nal. Now next is Bhopal. This place was set up by Raja Bhoj of Parmar dynasty, which was known as Bhopal in the 11th century and later by name Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Here the famous place, the Tajul Masjid is given here. You see in that picture. Now Tajul Masjid is the biggest mosque in India. इंडिया के सबसे बड़े मस्जिदों में ये मानी जाती है। भोपाल में और जो इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप भोपाल का कॉलम पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें आपको वहाँ पर मेंशन मिलेगा। नेक्स्ट इज भोजपुर। भोजपुर जो है वो परमार किंग जो धार के राजा भोज हैं उनके द्वारा फाउंड की गई थी। 11th सेंचुरी में इसका नाम उनके नाम के बाद रखा गया। तो भोजपुर जो है वो 28 किलोमीटर्स जो है वो अवे है भोपाल से और रीनोन्ड है द मैग्निफिसेंट शिवा टेम्पल एंड द साइक्लोपियन डैम एंड द टेम्पल इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ सोमनाथ ऑफ सेंट्रल इंडिया। हियर दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ भोजपुर शिव टेम्पल। नेक्स्ट इज भीमबेटका। Now this place is in the Vindhya ranges about 40 kilometers from Bhopal. Now the caves of Bhimbetka are of the prehistoric period. They have been included in the list of World Heritage by the UNESCO. Here this is the picture of Bhimbetka. Now next is the caves of Udayagiri. Udayagiri caves are in Vidisha district of Madhya Pradesh and these caves were carved out in the hillocks of Udayagiri on the eastern slopes. Next is Sanchi. Sanchi is situated 46 kilometers away from Bhopal. And the construction of monuments in this area continued from 3rd century BC to 12th century AD. And the credit of construction of old monuments of Sanchi goes to Emperor Ashoka, who constructed stupas, vihars, and the pillars on the hills of Sanchi as per the wishes of his queen, who was from Vidisha. जो उनकी रानी थी जो विदिशा से बिलोंग करती थी, उनके इच्छा के अनुसार उन्होंने किया। Now Sanchi is famous for world over for the Buddhist stupas and a large number of followers of Buddhism come here. Next is Pachmadi. It is a delightful experience to see the eye-catching natural beauty of Pachmadi. Situated in the ranges of Satpura mountain, when the hot climate of the plains causes great discomfort, it is delightful to experience the cool breeze of Pachmadi, and which is the symbolic of the 5 caves found here. 5 cottages, literal meaning of Pachmadi is, according to a fable, the Pandavas spent an year here when they were exiled to forest by Kauravas. Next is Ujjain. The ancient city of Ujjain, situated on the banks of river Shipra, is well known world over for the Singhas Mela and also for the Mahakaleshwar temple of Lord Shiva. Next is Maheshwar. This place of tourist interest is situated on the bank of the Narmada, 90 kilometers away from Indore. And the old name of Maheshwar was Maheshmati, which was the capital of Karvirai Arjun's kingdom in olden times. And Rani Ahilya Bai of Holkar dynasty gave it a modern look and built a palace and temples. Next is Mandu. Mandu is situated about 100 kilometers away from Indore in the district of Dhar, and it is a beautiful place of tourist and historical importance, and it is also known as Mandav. Next is Omkareshwar. This is one of the 12 Jyotirlings. The temple is located in Omkareshwar on the banks of Narmada. It is 77 kilometers from Khandwa and 72 kilometers away from Indore. And Omkareshwar is surrounded by the Narmada, making the shape of Om. So here students, I explain you some important places of Madhya Pradesh, and in next video we discuss about more. So you have to read this chapter and find more important facts about these places.